Good day to you, everybody. This is your one and only additional Larewaju wet links. We quickly want to activate an account on a Validus platform. I welcome you to this channel. If you are joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel. We want to activate an account with Validus. This is a platform where you can put your money to earn passive income. Yes, passive income. So quickly, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have already funded your wallet with USDT. As you can see, we have $50 in this account as cash wallet. So all that we need to do now is to go straight to packages. Click on packages. So once you click on it like this, you can see we have different packages you can go for. We have $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000. The highest is $10,000. So now we have $50 in the account. So all we need to do is you click on purchase. Click on purchase. So we have this. So all you need to do is just to go straight and click on I accept to Validus term and condition, private policy and compliance policy. So click on this button. So once you click on this confirm purchase will turn to green. So it turned to green. So now if you are watching this for the first time and you don't know how Validus works, this $50 we are putting in, it will be in this platform for 60 weeks, and we'll be getting between 2 to 3% every week. So I think this is better than me putting my money in the bank. So every Monday 5 p.m. as you can see, like today, we receive our profits, our rewards. We receive it every Monday like this. So Monday is a payday for us. So right now we click on confirm purchase. Confirm purchase. You see success. Package purchase successful. Package purchase successful. So let's go back to the dashboard to check. Let's go back. So you can see total package $50 it has been removed from cash wallet to total packages. You can see it there. So congratulations to the owner of this account. You're welcome on board. Now you can refer people to the system, just like that. Thank you very much for watching. If you are coming in to this platform for the first time and you are yet to be part of this opportunity, please kindly click on check the description below for the registration link for you to get started with us. This is a platform you cannot afford to be part of it. So thank you very much. Until we come your way again, this is Wet Links. Say bye for now. Thank you. Bye.